getting hit with error code CE-108262-9 and the message, there may be a problem reading the system software or data. You're not alone, and you are definitely in the right place. Let's walk you through how to fix it quickly and safely. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If your PlayStation is throwing error CE-108262-9 at you, we have got a handful of proven solutions to get things back on track. Let's get started. Method 1. Install the latest updates. The error code CE-108262-9 on the PS5 typically relates to the system software, issues or corrupted data, and can occur when trying to launch games, apps, or update or install software. When you get such an error, first try to install the latest updates. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 2. Update via USB drive. If you have any issues downloading the updates following the previous method, try updating via USB drive. To do so, turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. On your PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive that has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside this folder, create another folder and name it as Update. Now download the update file from here and save it in the Update folder. Name it as ps5update.pop. Make sure there is 1.1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB drive with the update file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device, then select OK. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the update file, ensure that the folder names and file names are correct. Use uppercase letters for the folder names and file names. Method 3. Check for game and data corruption. One of the most common reasons for CE-108262-9 error is corrupted game files or broken data. These issues can prevent your PS5 from reading or launching applications properly. Follow these steps to check if any files are corrupted and fix them. To uninstall a game or app on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to the console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game or an app and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Once done, relaunch the game and check. Method 4. Rebuild database. If the error persists, rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in the safe mode, which should take a few seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 5. Reset the console. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as a new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings, then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset your console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. And there you have it, several ways to resolve error code CE-108262-9 where your PlayStation might be having trouble reading the system software or data. We hope one of these methods worked for you and saved you a ton of frustration. If it did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Let us and others know in the comments which solution fixed it for you. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will catch you in the next video.